Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write 7.5 into 10 to the power 7 in usual form. So we can write 7.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 7 as 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. So 10 to the power 75 multiplied by this will be equal to 10 to the power 7 minus 1. Since x to the power m upon x to the power n can be written as x to the power m minus n. So using this property, we have written 10 to the power 7 minus 1. So our answer is 75 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. So we can write it as 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So this is our answer, which is option D. Therefore, we can say that the answer is option D.